Okay, so this is Tuesday. This is going to be your Tuesday's lecture. So what we've got here is the Unit 1 or the Chapter 1 tutorial book, physics tutorial book. Okay, so we have 12 questions. So in last lecture we actually went through the first 3. So I'm actually going to give you I'm going to give you the skills to be able to complete hopefully the rest of this by this lecture. So first of all, we're going to talk about the last question, question 12. Okay, so this question here, it is known that x is equal to a t plus b t squared, and the following values of x and t are given. Okay, by drawing a straight line graph, find the values of a and b. Okay, so what we're going to do, I'll go through this one here. We'll pull this up. Okay, so what I've done is I've created a new PDF file here. So this is the question, and this is our equation. X is equal to a t plus b t squared. And it says find a and b by making a straight line graph. Okay, so from a straight line graph we get a slope and an x and a y-intercept. But this here is a parabola. Well, what we need to do is we need to do some algebraic manipulation to make the right-hand side a straight line. So what I've done is I've divided through both sides by t. So on this left-hand side, we have x divided by t. At now becomes just a plus, and bt squared just becomes bt. So on the left-hand side, we've effectively got a straight line. So what I've done here, thus our x over t has become our dependent variable, brackets our y value. This is the value we normally put on the vertical axis of a graph, and t, the t value has become our independent variable. Thus, if we graph a brackets x over t versus t graph, then the slope will be our b value, and our y-intercept will be our a value. Okay,